Stunning! Top 50 small garden ideas to elevate yours home with flower beds in 2025. Creating a breathtaking small garden in 2025 is not only about aesthetics. It's about crafting a personal oasis that complements your modernist home while promoting sustainability and enhancing your living space. As gardens become an integral part of home design, especially for those with limited outdoor areas, there's a growing interest in innovative and space-efficient gardening solutions. The key to a successful small garden lies in maximizing the available space with creative floral arrangements and contemporary design elements that reflect both beauty and functionality. Modernist homes, often characterized by sleek lines and minimalist architecture, provide the perfect backdrop for bold and colorful flower beds. These gardens can range from whimsical and vibrant arrangements to more subdued, elegant designs. One popular trend for 2025 is the use of vertical gardens, which allow homeowners to make the most of limited ground space by growing plants upwards on walls or trellises. This method not only saves space, but also adds a striking visual element to the exterior of your home, creating a living tapestry of colors and textures. Another innovative approach to small garden design is the incorporation of multifunctional features. For example, raised flower beds can double as seating or a partitioning feature within your garden. These structures can be crafted from materials such as reclaimed wood or sleek metal, aligning with the modern aesthetic of contemporary homes while ensuring durability. Additionally, integrating edible plants such as herbs and vegetables within flower beds can enhance the utility and visual appeal of your garden, providing fresh ingredients for your kitchen and a touch of greenery to your yard. The choice of flowers is crucial in designing a small garden that thrives throughout the seasons. Opting for native and drought-resistant plants ensures a resilient garden that requires less maintenance and water, aligning with the increasing emphasis on sustainable gardening practices. Perennials like lavender, Coneflowers and asters are excellent choices due to their ability to blend seamlessly with other plant varieties, creating a cohesive and harmonious environment. The use of a monochromatic color scheme or a specific color palette can also lend an air of sophistication and unity to your small garden space. Lighting is another important aspect of garden design that shouldn't be overlooked. In 2025, garden lighting trends highlight the use of solar-powered LEDs, which are eco-friendly and cost-effective. These lights can be strategically placed to illuminate pathways, highlight feature plants, or cast dramatic shadows that add depth and dimension to your garden at night. Lighting can transform your garden into a magical retreat after sunset, making it an inviting space for evening relaxation or gatherings. Water features, although traditionally associated with larger gardens, can be adapted to fit smaller spaces without sacrificing their calming effect. A compact, stylish water fountain or a small, reflective water bowl can serve as a focal point, adding a tranquil and zen-like quality to your garden. Paired with delicate flower beds, these elements create an atmosphere of peace and relaxation, turning your garden into a sanctuary away from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Personalization remains at the heart of small garden design. Whether it's a favorite theme, a specific type of plant, or bespoke garden art, infusing your personal style into your garden ensures that it truly feels like an extension of your home. Unique touches like handcrafted mosaics, custom-built planter boxes, or playful garden sculptures can imbue your outer space with character and individuality. As you explore the top 50 small garden ideas for 2025, Remember that your garden's capacity to elevate your home lies in its ability to reflect who you are while harmonizing with the modern characteristics of your home. In doing so, you create not just a garden, but a personalized retreat that enhances your home's aesthetic value and your quality of life.